Good morning. Thanks for choosing Discount Tires. This is Eric speaking. How can I help you today?
Yeah, hi Eric. How's it going? I'm actually trying to get 4 tires for an Airstream trailer of mine.
Okay, yeah, definitely, sir. Okay, 225/75/15, Goodyear Endurance. We do have them in stock. We can book you an appointment for this morning, evening, and afternoon. Yeah, you can drop it off. Appointment's guaranteed 45 minutes, an hour or less to get it done.
Appointment is set for noon today. Get a couple errands knocked out this morning and then go drop the trailer off. They estimate about 45 minutes to an hour to complete the job, which is great because I still have time to go pick up the kids. So let's get this day going.
So I want to share with you guys 3 things that I like to be mindful when I'm packing for everybody. We're going to be going to the West Coast, which has cold nights and mornings, warmish days, which means lots of layering. So I'm going to show you guys now how I choose. So first is I look at the weather. The second thing I like to do is pack outfits and piece them together. And the third thing is I always like to pack something dressy. It's always nice to have one dressy outfit per family member for whatever occasion. In this case, we're gone for 14 days. So I packed 9 days worth of outfits. 9 because I don't want to worry about going to the laundromat. I don't want to worry if someone gets something stained that I have to go wash the clothes. And I put them together like this. This is our son's pile, it makes it easy. Again, he doesn't care what he wears. Here are these bins that I love to use from Target. So I rolled up his clothes, fits beautifully. All of his outfits, he just grabs one, has one complete look. And here I fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 days worth of warm clothes. I even think of packing hats, pajamas, our daughter, her hair, accessories and things in this little caboodle, jackets, it's all here. With the girls, it's nice sometimes if they're still wearing hair bows, so put the hair bow with the outfit. Everything's all together, the socks, and you just load it in like that. All right, well, stay tuned for more packing tips.
We just got the new tires put on the trailer. Looks pretty good here at Discount Tire. These guys did a phenomenal job. I was only here for about only 40 minutes. Had a noon appointment. It is 12:42 right now. So these guys got busy and put this thing back together. New rubber on the feet, new shoes. Thank you, Discount Tire. We are set to get this trip going. Couple more items to pick up from Walmart. We need to get some Def toilet paper, the little sewage pods, a couple other items, but we're one step closer to being ready to head west. This morning, our focus is going to be on the tow vehicle. Since we will be gone for about 2 weeks, we're going to go ahead and get the oil change. I'm going to check the tires, and we're going to get this thing washed as well. Exterior and interior. We just feel it's much nicer to travel in a nice, clean tow vehicle.
All right, you guys, I'm into like healthy cleaning, so Norwex EnviroCloth, window cloth. Don't know when to get started first. Probably counters. So normally I take these out and I put them in the dishwasher, which I did do, but it went to service, to get serviced, and it got a little like dusty, so they're not super dirty. I'm just giving them a wipe down with like a little Clorox wipe just to make sure it's extra clean. But I do put those in the dishwasher, like not in the dishwasher, I hand wash them with soap and water and let them soak. But yeah, back to the fridge. This fabric is it is waterproof, kind of like the same fabric that's on boats. I don't remember the name. So I like to wipe them down every time we get into the trailer if it's been a while, and even if we have been in here for a while and it just needs a good cleaning.
We just got back from picking the truck up, and it is a million times better. It is clean on the inside and the outside. All the crumbs from the kids have been taken away. This thing is shining on the inside. Adeseli has already finished up packing up the kids' clothes, her clothes, the bedding, the towels, all the linens, all of that good stuff inside the Airstream. So now I can do my end and get some of the things that I need to get done and packed up into the rig before we can get a move on. And for the purpose of this video, we're just going to touch on a few things that we do to prepare our Airstream for a longer trip. Before any trip, it's a smart idea to go ahead and check the tire pressure as well as the lug nuts. Since we have just received our trailer back from the service department after the awning debacle, we definitely wanted to check our batteries, make sure that there was enough distilled water in each of the chambers to ensure their lifespan. For longer trips, we prefer to prepare our freshwater tank by supplying at least 30% of fresh water. This helps when going down the road, especially if you get caught in the middle of West Texas, the family needs to use the restroom, you need to have some fresh water to be able to flush. We also like to add 20% of fresh water to our black tank in addition to a sewage pod. That way, by the time we reach our destination, sewage pod has kind of already done its magic, and it helps keep the black tank so much cleaner. We highly recommend referring to your manufacturer's manual for any additional details and preparations.